Navien water heater issue, error code, it's flashing. Installed probably 3 years ago, but I haven't been back since for maintenance or nothing. Let's go see what's going on. I told him to empty that out. Wow. What's the deal here? This is why even visual inspections yearly need to be done. This is ridiculous. Like I told you, it's only 3 years old. Maybe not even 3 years old. That's nuts. I am not happy at all right now with this Navien. I am so bothered. This was supposed to be a good unit. What the heck? Oh, man. So the Navien has a bad heat exchanger. They're covering it under warranty. Navien's really good like that. So they're actually going to give us a whole new unit because of the extent of the damage, which is, as you saw, all the way the heat exchanger, but then all the way even the board got wet and other components were just corroded and destroyed. So they're swapping out the unit and they're going to give us a new unit. Now it's a matter of finding time to put in the new unit and charging the customer the labor. I got to charge labor. It's been 2 years. I'm not eating the labor on that. Remember to like and subscribe my videos. Thanks guys, and have a good day.